This is a regular meal plan, with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. You can see the totals for every meal, as well as for the entire day, and you can expand the list of totals. You can replace any food in the meal plan, or add a new one. We have an extensive database of foods that can be filtered by source. Choose the quantity, and add it to the plan. You can also change the quantity of any food in the plan. You can switch the day, add a new day, which can be empty, copy the current day, or copy all the days of the plan until the current one. You can add as many meals as you want, change the name of any meal, add notes about that meal, or change its order. You can also delete a day or just empty it. Send the plan to your client, save it as a template to reuse it for other clients, download it, check how your client will see the plan, print it or run an advanced analysis. You need to add at least one progress to see the advanced report. You can edit the general details about the plan, like the name, start date, make the plan flexible, which means the client will be able to switch any meal with another similar one, like the breakfast from day 3 with breakfast from day 1, and allow or disable daily email notifications to be sent to your client. You can copy a food to another meal, or add alternatives to that food, which will enable your client to switch any food with one of the alternatives.